Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing a box from Home Depot. We're going to be pulling out the items and seeing what's in the box. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys stopping by. So we're going to be popping this box open from Home Depot. We're going to be checking out what's inside. Should be 2 Milwaukee items in here. The box is kind of a little flimsy. Definitely packaging in the box though, that's nice to see. That's it. The rest is packaging. Box is empty. Alright, so the 2 items we got here, the only 2 items that they were doing the buy more, save more on that I didn't technically have or need, that I technically didn't have but I did need, is I didn't have the 1/2-inch extended anvil controlled torque impact wrench with 1 key. It says up to 1100 foot-pounds nut busting torque. We all know that the nut busting torque is never as accurate as they state. I do have the 1 key version of this in the 3/4, as well as I do have the 1 key version of this impact in the regular 1/2-inch anvil. And that one puts close to about 700-800 foot-pounds out. So I expect this to be somewhere in that range. Maybe, you know, that one was the regular 1/2-inch non-extended anvil is rated at like 1400 foot-pounds nut busting. It puts out somewhere between 7.5 to 800 something, 8.5 maybe max. So I expect this one probably is going to be a little lower, you know, somewhere in the range of about 6.5 to 700. But I picked it up for wheels, lug nuts mostly. And then I've been waiting for a deal on this barrel grip jigsaw for a very long time. So I got this one, the 1 key extended anvil is normally $350. I got it for $254. The barrel grip is normally $199 bare tool. I got it for $144. That's why I picked these up, because the buy more, save more. Basically, you got 27% off both of these tools. I am not going to do any unboxings or anything in this video. We're going to put these in their own separate videos, so the videos don't end up being, this video doesn't end up being too long. This is kind of a discussion video. So this is the 1 key 1/2-inch extended anvil controlled torque impact wrench with 1 key. Part number 2769-20. And this barrel grip is barrel grip jigsaw is 2737B-20. I actually do have a coping shoe for this barrel grip as well. I actually picked up the coping shoe about 1.5 years ago, and I was just waiting for a good deal on this guy. I also do have the D-handle version of the Milwaukee as well. Just a quick little unboxing video, not going to be very long. The specs on the 1/2-inch extended anvil with friction ring, it says fastening torque is 750 foot-pounds, nut busting torque is 1100 foot-pounds, drive control is 4-mode customizable because the 1 key, RPM is 0 to 1800, impacts per minute or IPM is 0 to 2400, length is 10.1 inches and weight is 5.8 pounds. And we will definitely weigh it and measure it in the video. And then some of the information on the D handle. Hold on, guys. Sorry, everybody. So I had to go take a phone call because I got a phone call from Acme Tools. They were trying to get me some special items for my table saw, my Metabo table saw. So we're back. So the specs on the jigsaw, again, ambidextrous on and off, yes. Speed control, 6-speed. Auto controlled start, yes. Stroke length is 1 inch. Strokes per minute is 800 to 3500 strokes per minute, or SPM. Bevel detents at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees. Blower type, on off switch. LED, yes. Orbital cutting, 4 position. Blade type, T-shank. Length 11.7 inches and weight is 4.6 pounds, and we will verify the length and the weight on the next video. I do appreciate that you guys hanging out with me today, checking out the video. As always. And we'll definitely get some more content out on these tools. I was thinking about doing a video on all of the impacts that I have. I'm not sure yet. It's all up to you guys that you guys want to see. The jigsaw, I wanted to grab the barrel grip for the coping shoe specifically, as well as for easier cutting on corners, stuff like that. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I do appreciate all the subscribers and everybody for liking and commenting on the videos. As well as everybody that's using the affiliate links. It does help the channel out. The channel is now paying for the tools, which is awesome and much appreciated. So now we can buy some wood and we could do some testing if you guys want to see testing, because the channel's paying for it. And it's all thanks to you guys for helping out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys on the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!